In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the key fob right there. Now first off, we need to make sure that we have a flathead screwdriver like the one I'm showing over here. Then get the physical key out. Now get that screwdriver, and you see that slot right where I'm putting the screwdriver? Yeah, so get the screwdriver and put it right there, and then we're going to twist it. So that's going to pry open the remote over there. So put the screwdriver in there and hold the remote just the way I'm holding it. Okay, you just need to support it. You don't have to press down on the remote, just support it and then twist it. It pries open the remote there. Now use the screwdriver to pry it open the rest of the way. Right, and be gentle with it, okay? You don't go aggressive or you end up breaking one of the clips inside there or scratch the remote, and you don't want any of that. Now once the remote is popped open, that's the side with the battery. To get the battery out, put one thumb on the battery so the battery doesn't just pop and fly off. Use the screwdriver to get it out. Now see, it says plus right there on the underside of the battery, and it says plus over there, so that's how you know how to position a new battery. Let's look at the battery itself. It's a CR2032 battery, so that's the replacement size, CR2032. Get the battery back in, right? Press it against the metal clip there and push it in. It's locked in place. Now let's get the other end of the remote. Put them on top of each other, matching. Okay, now just press and click it in place. Done. Alright, now let's not forget to put the physical key back in, and let's try out the remote now. That's good. Alright, everything works. We're good.